Hi! Good day to you! I hope that you are feeling fine and great. I am Teacher Mayette and I will be your teacher for today. I will be teaching you the difference between mass nouns and count nouns. Do you know what are their differences? Alright, we will try to find out what are their differences. Are you ready? That's great! So, I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy for we will be having our class today. Welcome to our class! To start our lesson, we will have a review to check if you have understood what was our lesson last time. Can you remember what was our lesson yesterday? Alright, that's correct. Our lesson yesterday was about nouns. Nouns are the names of people, places, animals, things, and events. Very good job! Since you have mastered our lesson yesterday, you are now ready for our lesson today. Now, you will try to listen to a dialogue. Are you ready? Okay, that's good. I have here two friends, Anna and Tom. They are talking about what can they do to donate to the COVID-19 victims. Do you know what is COVID-19? Aha! As a trivia, COVID-19 is a respiratory illness. Some of the symptoms are cough, cold, fever, and loss of taste and smell. So what can we do to stop the spread of the virus? Yes, good job. That's right. So here are the things that we can do to stop the spread of COVID-19. We will try to wear face mask or face shield. We must also wash our hands regularly. We also need to use hand sanitizers or alcohol. And we should also apply social distancing. And the most important thing is get vaccinated. All right? That's great.
What do you have there? These are our donations to the COVID-19 victims. What is in the box, Anna? Masks, face shields, and bottles of alcohol. Let me help you. Sure. Will you donate something too? Yes, I will donate food like rice, sugar, milk, and coffee.
Did you understand the dialogue? Alright, that's great. Now we will try to check if you really understood the dialogue. Who are the two people talking in the dialogue? Alright, the two people are Tom and Anna. Very good job. Now, what did Tom see inside Anna's box? Okay, that's correct. Tom saw face masks, face shields, and bottles of alcohol. Very good! Can you count these things? Let's try to count the masks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's right! You can count the masks. There are 6 masks. Now, we will try to count the face shields. Are you ready? That's good. 1 and 2. There are 2 face masks. And you can count face masks. Now, let's try to count the bottles of alcohol. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's correct. There are 4 bottles of alcohol. So you can count the bottles of alcohol. Do you know how these things are called? Alright, these are called count nouns. Count nouns are the words that you can count. Here are other examples of count nouns. Pencils, bags, bottles, and chairs. From the dialogue earlier, they said that they are going to donate rice, sugar, milk, and coffee. Can you count these things? Alright, you cannot count these things one by one. And these are called mass nouns. Mass nouns are the nouns that you cannot count. Here are other examples. Sand, salt, water, and wind. Again, count nouns are the nouns that you can count, and mass nouns are the nouns that you cannot count. Did you get it? Alright, that's good. Now, we will watch a video and you can sing along. Are you ready? Alright, let's start.
We can count the stars. We can count the numbers, trees and books and cars, the months, the years, the hours, but snow and rain. We can't count the weather, time and space. Can just be measured. We can count the clouds. We can count the numbers, birds and bees and pounds, wishes, dreams and flowers, with north and south. We can only measure water and air, happiness like weather. We can't count.
Very good job for singing the song very well. Now, let's try to identify what are some of the things that were mentioned in the song. Can you remember them? Alright, let's try to identify. Here are some of the words mentioned: stars, numbers, trees, books, and flowers. How do you call these things? That's right. These are called count nouns. Here are some other words mentioned in the song: snow, rain, water, and air. How do you call these things? All right, these are called mass nouns. Great job! I know that you have mastered our lesson today, which is about mass nouns and count nouns. Now, get your pens and paper and be ready to answer the following items. Are you ready? Alright, let's get started. For this test, you will be given 30 seconds to answer 4 items. You only have to write A if it's count noun and B if it's mass noun. Are you ready? Okay. Time's up! We will try to check if your answers are correct. Are you ready? Let's start! Number 1. Milk. A or B? Yes! If your answer is letter B, that is correct! Milk is mass noun. Very good! Number 2. Eggs. Mass nouns or count noun? Alright, if your answer is A, count nouns, that is correct. Very good job. Number 3. Towel. Is it A or B? That's perfect. If your answer is A, that's correct. Towel is a count noun. And number 4, sand. What is your answer? Okay, if your answer is B, mass noun, then you are correct. That's great. So, you have mastered our lesson very well. And because of that, I will give you your star for answering very well. For your homework, look around your house and list down 3 count nouns and 3 mass nouns that you can see inside your house. Write this down on your notebook, okay? We are done with our class today, and you did a very good job. Congratulations! So, thank you so much for listening. And once again, this is Teacher Mayan saying goodbye and have a great day. See you again in our next lesson. Bye-bye!